Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best camping cookware for outdoor adventures that are available on the market. Actually, I made this list based on their quality, price, popularity, durability, user opinion, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to view future videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have Lodge Dutch Oven Combo Cooker. A cast iron skillet, like the Lodge Dutch Oven Combo Cooker, is undoubtedly one of the best ways to cook outside. It's heavy, but cast iron is incredibly tough, versatile, and fun to use. We love it because it disperses heat evenly for searing and frying. It takes a while to get the technique down, but once you get used to cooking in cast iron, you'll never go back. Cast iron rusts if exposed to prolonged moisture, and it needs to be washed in a specific way to preserve the non-stick coating. That said, when cared for properly, cast iron tends to get better with age. They like the combo cooker for camping because it's deep enough to use for soups and stews, and it comes with a lid that can be used as a frying pan. Moving on at number 4, we have Stanley Adventure Base Camp. The Stanley Adventure Base Camp Cook Set 4 is high quality, affordable, and includes everything you need for great camp cooking. The heavy stainless steel cookware is super durable, and the BPA-free dishes and utensils are lightweight and convenient. While this set may be a bit on the small side to cook for large groups, it's just right for couples and small families. The base camp set has a great ratio of sturdiness to portability, and extras like collapsible utensils, a dish rack, and a cutting board make it easy to choose the base camp cook set for your adventures time and time again. At number 3, we have GSI Outdoors Pinnacle Camper Cook Set. If you're planning a handful of upcoming camping trips and want to go all out on your fireside meals, then maybe you're ready to invest in a top-of-the-line cookware set. Not only does it have you covered in the cooking department, but also the eating department, with insulated mugs, bowls, and plates. Plus, they all come in a variety of colors, which is not only visually appealing but a great way for everyone to keep track of their own items. The stuff sack can double as a washing sink. The anodized aluminum pots are food-safe, durable, and easy to clean, plus they heat evenly and quickly. The folding and removable handles lock easily, and when you're done using them, you can easily stow them away for easy nesting storage. This set is probably too large and heavy to take backpacking, but it's a great option for car or RV camping. At number 2, we have MSR Pocket Rocket Stove Kit. The MSR Pocket Rocket Ultralight Camping and Backpacking Stove Kit includes everything you need to cook for 2 people while backpacking. This set includes one 2-liter aluminum pot, 2 deep bowls, a strainer lid, 2 12.5-ounce insulated mugs, 2 folding sporks, and a stove. You'll have to pick up a propane canister to power the MSR Pocket Rocket Stove, but once you hook it up, it can bring a pot of water to a boil in a mere 3.5 minutes. BPA-free plastic is used for the bowls, mugs, and sporks, which helps keep the whole kit at only 1 pound, 10 ounces. It's incredibly lightweight and exactly what you would want to have with you backpacking. Though it's a great idea to have foldable, lightweight sporks to go backpacking with, these might be flimsier and more prone to breaking than other options. You should definitely throw a few extra utensils in your backpack. And finally at number 1, GSI Camper Nesting Cook Set. No one wants to scrub their dishes in the woods, so it's worth it to get a non-stick cooking set. The GSI Outdoors Bugaboo Base Camper Cook Set has everything you need, without the cleaning hassle. This is available in small, medium, or large, with the only difference being the size of the pots and frying pan. With this, the pots and pans have the strong Teflon non-stick coating that keeps food from sticking and easily wipes clean. Additionally, the set includes 2 lids that double as strainers. Conveniently, the lid for the large pot also fits the frying pan. A cutting board and a carrying sack are also included in the set, which nests snugly inside the large pot. The set includes a removable handle that fits each of the pots and pans, but with only one, you are unable to easily use 2 pots at a time. Thankfully, extra handles are available for sale. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video helps you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can comment down. I hope back to you as soon as possible.